The first bhajan which we are going to learn today is Rama Rama Sai Rama. Such a beautiful bhajan, which almost every time, even when I was Balaka student, I used to hear Swami used to enjoy this bhajan when kids sing this bhajan specifically. So Rama Rama Sai Rama. So this bhajan is in Ragam Shankarabharanam, which is also called in Hindustani Bilawal. And the talam of this bhajan is a regular 8-beat bhajan, which in Carnatic we say Adi talam, and it's a regular 4-beat bhajan, of which most of the bhajans which we sing in bhajans. And then coming to the Shruti, usually girls or ladies can take C or C sharp, and gents can take F sharp. These are the usual scale which is sung for this bhajan. And I'll shortly share some of the similar bhajans in Shankarabharanam Ragam also. Before that, we'll quickly learn the meaning of this bhajan. Rama Rama Sai Rama. Swami, you are in the form of Lord Rama. We are seeing you in the form of Lord Rama, Swami. You are Rama. Parti Purisha Sai Ram. Swami, you live in Puttaparthi. You are Parti Purisha. You are Lord of Puttaparthi, Sai Ram. Madhura Manohara Sundara Ram. Madhura is again, such a sweet and, so melodious, such a like honey. Madhura Manohara Sundara Nam. Even the name, when we say Sai Ram, that brings so much of happiness in chanting the name of God. The name of God is also so blissful and so beautiful. Madhura Manohara Sundara Nam. Shyamala Komala Nayana Bhiram. Even Swami's eyes, so soft and so beautiful. Ravikula Mandana Rajana Ram. Ravikula is again, as we all know, Lord Rama is born in the Sun dynasty, right? Have you heard in Ramayana? I'm sure Dhruva you would have heard in Ramayana story, right? So he's Lord Rama is a gem who is born in Solar dynasty, Sun's dynasty. That's why we say Swami as Ravikula Mandana Rajana Ram. Rajana is king of all kings, the best of all kings, who is none other than Lord Rama, who again, Swami took in the form avatar of Lord Rama during Rama's period. Parama Pavana Mangala Nam. So always, if we chant Swami's name, it is so blissful and it will connect us to Swami just by name of saying Sai Ram. Such a beautiful bhajan. So let's quickly learn the other similar bhajans in Shankarabharanam Ragam. So most of the bhajans, for example, Giridhara Bala Gopala. So that is also in Shankarabharanam. Other one, Bolo Narayana Jai Jai Vittala, or Gopala Gopala Radhalola. So most of those bhajans are in Shankarabharanam Ragam. So let's quickly learn the bhajan, okay, Dhruva? So I'll go back to the screen. Okay. Repeat Kanna. Rama Rama. We can't hear you, Kanna. Can you see if your audio is on? Sing Rama Rama. Can you come a little more closer to your laptop? Sing Rama Rama Sai Rama. Rama Rama Sai Rama. Again, Rama Rama Sai Rama.
Rama Rama Sai Rama.
Good. Parti Purisha Sai Ram.
Sai Ram.
Parti Purisha good. Can you sing both the lines now? Sing the first line and sing the second line two times. Can you sing?
Ram Ram Sai Rama Parti Purisha Sai Ram Ram
Sing Parti Purisha 2 times.
Parti Purisha Sai Ram.
Very good. So these 2 lines you will sing two times in first beat. Okay. After this you will come back to first line 1 time. So how will you sing? Ram Ram Sai Rama.
Ram Ram Sai Rama.
Good. Madhura Manohara
Madhura Manohara
Sundara Naam.
Sundara Naam.
Madhura Manohara Sundara Naam.
Madhura Manohara Sundara Naam.
Very good. One more time.
Madhura Manohara Sundara Naam.
Very good. When you say Madhura, say yeah, that is second dha. So how will you say? You should say dha instead of da. Say dha. You should not say Madhura. Say Madhura, Madhura.
Madhura
Correct. But give little stress, not too much of stress. Madhura Manohara
Madhura Manohara
Sundara Naam.
Sundara Naam.
Very good. One more time.
Madhura Manohara Sundara Naam.
Very good. Shyamala Komala
Shamala Komala
Shyamala Komala Komala
Shamala Komala
Nayanabhi.
Nayanabhi
That B also bhi. Nayanabhi
Nayanabhi
Ram.
Ram
Shyamala Komala Nayanabhi Ram.
Shamala Komala Nayanabhi Ram.
Very good. One more time.
Shamala Komala Nayanabhi Ram.
Very good. Ravikula Mandana
Ravi Kula Mandana
Rajana Ram.
Rajana Ram.
Ravikula Mandana Rajana Ram.
Ravi Kula Mandana Rajana Ram.
Very good. Rajana Ram also. Rajana Ram. Sing Ram.
Ram.
Like that. Try. Ravikula Mandana Rajana Ram.
Ravi Kula Mandana Rajana Ram.
Parama Pavana
Parama Pavana
Mangaladham.
Mangaladam.
Parama Pavana Mangaladham.
Parama Pavana Mangaladam.
So dham is actually place. Okay, in Hindi we say dham means place. So again, all are sacred places, right? Rama's place, Ayodhya or Puttaparthi, right? All are God's place. So it's like Parama Pavana, it's so divine. So Parama Pavana Mangaladham. Sing.
Parama Pavana Mangaladam.
The dham also say second dha. Dham.
Dam.
And second time when you sing this line, you should sing Parama Pavana Pavana
Pavana
that pavana you sing second time. So how will you sing? Parama pavana. Sing.
Parama pavana
Mangaladham.
Mangaladham.
Sing both Parama pavana now.
Parama pavana Mangaladham.
Dham. Dham.
Dham. Parama pavana Mangaladham.
Very good. Can you sing first speed fully now? I'll follow you. Can you try? Sing. Sing. Ram. Sing.
Ramasa.
Rama Rama Sai Rama. Sing.
Rama Rama Sai Rama.
Sing 2 times.
Rama Rama Sai Rama.
Second line. Parti Purisha Sai Ram.
Partipurisha Sai Ram.
2 times Parti Purisha.
Partipurisha Sai Ram.
Rama Rama Sai Rama.
Madhura Mano.
Sing Rama Rama once again.
Rama Rama Sai Rama. Madhura Manohar Sundarana.
Very good. I'll follow, okay? Madhura Manohara Sundaranam. Sing again Madhura Manohara.
Sundarana.
Madhura Manohara Sundaranam.
Shamala Komala Nayana Viram.
Shamala Komala Nayana Bhiram.
Shamala Komala Nayana Viram.
Shamala Komala Nayana Bhiram. Ravikula
Mandana Rajana Ram.
Ravikula Mandana Rajana Ram.
Ravikula Mandana Rajana Ram.
Ravikula Mandana Rajana Ram.
Parama Pavana Mangaladham.
Parama Pavana Mangaladham.
Parama
Parama
Pavana Mangaladham.
Pavana Mangaladham. Now sing second speed. Fast. Rama Rama Sai. Sing fast.
Rama Rama Sai Rama.
Rama Rama Sai Rama. Parti Purisha. Sing.
Sai Partipurisha Sai Ram.
Parti Purisha Sai Ram.
Rama Rama Sai Rama.
Rama Rama Sai Rama.
Madhura Manohara Sundaranam.
Madhura Manohara Sundaranam.
Madhura Mano Shamala.
Sing Shamala Komala Nayana Bhiram.
Shamala Komala Nayana Viram.
Shamala Komala Nayana Bhiram.
Ravikula Mandana Rajana Ram.
Ravikula Mandana Rajana Ram. Parama
Pavana Mangaladham.
Parama Pavana Mangaladham.
Parama Pavana Mangaladham.
Second time sing Parama Pavana Pavana.
Parama Pavana Mangaladham.
Parama Pavana Mangaladham. And then how will you end the bhajan?
Rama Rama
Very good, Dhruva. Awesome. Awesome singing. Good job. Okay. So I will quickly run through and then we'll open the session. राम राम साई रामा, राम राम साई रामा, पार्थिपुरेशा साई राम, पार्थिपुरेशा साई राम, राम राम साई रामा, मधुर मनोहर सुंदर नाम, मधुर मनोहर सुंदर नाम, श्यामल कोमल नयनभिराम, श्यामल कोमल नयनभिराम, रविकुल मंडन राजन राम, रविकुल मंडन राजन राम, परम पावना मंगलधाम, परम पावना मंगलधाम, राम राम साई रामा, पार्थिपुरेशा साई राम, राम राम साई रामा, मधुर मनोहर सुंदर नाम, श्यामल कोमल नयनभिराम, रविकुल मंडन राजन राम, परम पावना मंगलधाम, परम पावना मंगलधाम, राम राम साई